Boston Whaler and Sea Ray is owned by a company called Brunswick. Brunswick has been around for 150 years. Most people would know them maybe by pool tables and bowling alleys. They have now sold off those divisions. 95% of their revenues come from marine activity. They also own, a big part of their marine activity is Mercury engines, inboard and outboard. But Sea Ray and Boston Whaler are their premier brands that they sell, in addition to another 8 or 10 smaller brands that are part of the Brunswick family. Boston Whaler is what they call the unsinkable legend. They are unsinkable because they're 2 holes and filled with foam, and basically a wonderful boat for fishing. A lot of them are used for tender on the back of larger boats. Sea Ray's family, we have 4 different divisions, starting at 18 feet to 65 feet. We sell sport boats, sport cruisers, sport yachts, and another brand called L-Class yachts. They're a family of people who are buying them are basically people who just want to use and love our waters and want to be able to have some of the comfort features to stay overnight. Some sport boat owners, are multi-use, where they would, be able to enjoy some water skiing, some water sports.